According to the AIAG-VDA standard, it's a good idea to create what's called a family FMEA when you have products or processes that are very similar, only minor differences between them. Take spur gears, for example. They usually go through the same steps in production and they tend to have similar failure modes. That also means the ways to prevent or fix these failures are often similar too. Now, doing separate FMEAs for each one would be time consuming and honestly not very efficient. That's where FMEA Executive can really help. It has built in features that make creating and managing family FMEAs much easier so you save time and effort and get the job done right. Let's look at how it works. Let's talk about family FMEAs, especially from the point of view of Process FMEA. So, what are family FMEAs? Think of them as FMEAs that apply to processes that are very similar or to a family of products that go through almost the same process with just a few differences. Here is a real world example. You supply wheel flanges to two customers, ABC Automotive and Tropical Motors. The flanges are very similar in design, but they are not identical. In your manufacturing, you have three operations: Operation 10, rough turn; Operation 20, facing; Operation 30, finish turn. Now, here is the important part. Operations 10 and 20 are exactly the same for both the products. But Operation 30, finish turn, is different for each customer. So, how do you handle this in FMEA Executive? It's actually pretty smart and simple. You create a single family FMEA that includes both the flanges. For operations 10 and 20, just create common process steps. They are the same for both. Then for operation 30, you create two separate process step nodes. One for ABC Automotive's finish turn, the other one for Tropical Motors finish turn. Now you can work on both the variations of finish turn independently, but still within the same FMEA file. When it's time to submit a report to ABC Automotive, here is what you do. Open the report dialog in FMEA Executive. Select only the process steps related to ABC Automotive, including their version of finish turn. Choose a report header that is specific to ABC Automotive. And just like that, your report is ready. Need to submit a report to Tropical Motors? No problem. Do the same steps. Pick the Tropical Motors specific finish turn process step, use their report header, and you are good to go. It's that easy. Using family FMEAs this way saves you a lot of time, avoids duplication, and lets you focus on what really matters: improving processes and preventing failures.